SimpliSafe is a DIY home security system that has gained popularity in the industry due to its affordability, ease of installation, and reliable technology. Many homeowners are opting for SimpliSafe to protect their homes. In this review, we'll explore how SimpliSafe performed while the homeowners were away on vacation, lounging by the pool. Let's dive into their experience and see how SimpliSafe held up during their time away. What's changed with SimpliSafe? Pricing. There has been an increase in prices for monitoring plans and equipment. However, these increases remain competitive compared to other home security systems on the market. Equipment update. SimpliSafe has introduced new gear, including the Smart Alarm indoor camera. This updated version features a built-in battery, privacy shutter, and a new emergency monitoring feature by professionals. Testing SimpliSafe on vacation. The homeowners tested SimpliSafe while they were on vacation. Their house was empty except for a house sitter who visited once a day to feed their cat. The system proved easy to use, with a simple 4-digit code for arming and disarming. The countdown displayed on the keypad was appreciated by the sitter. Overall, SimpliSafe continues to provide a flexible and effective home security solution for homeowners. For more information on the SimpliSafe Security system, click on the Doorstop 247 button.